Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is get out quietly. Get out quietly. चुपचाप निकलो. Second, move a bit. Move a bit. थोड़ा साइड पे हो ना. 3. I can read your face. I can read your face. मैं तुम्हारा चेहरा पढ़ सकता हूँ. 4. I was just kidding dude. I was just kidding dude. मैं बस मजाक कर रहा था यार. 5. You are finding it funny. You are finding it funny. क्या तुम्हें ये मजाक लग रहा है? 6. I'm getting late. I'm getting late. मुझे देर हो रही है. 7. What happened after that? What happened after that? उसके बाद क्या हुआ? 8. You don't say something. You don't say something. तुम्हें कुछ कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. 9. It's a piece of cake for me. It's a piece of cake for me. ये तो मेरे बाएं हाथ का खेल है. The last one is 10. It was very bad day today. It was very bad day today. आज का दिन बहुत बुरा था. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.